In high school, we all learned about history, math, English, and a lot of other subjects. But what about farming? Here at Mount Tahoma High School in Tacoma, they've added agriculture to their curriculum.
My name is Ben Mearsman. I'm a teacher here at Mount Tahoma High School.
Ben teaches plant biology and sustainable agriculture at the school, but his classroom isn't inside. Instead, it's in a greenhouse.
Yeah, so this is the Mount Tahoma Farm.
Oh, right on, look at that.
I like to call it the Tahoma Urban Family Farm. Some of the beds here, I told students, okay, let's do tomatoes here, let's do corn here, let's do whatever it is here. But then some of them I let them really just design and plant what they wanted to plant, just kind of as an experiment for them to just get in the dirt and let them have freedom over what they're doing.
Do many of them come in already familiar with some of the stuff, or do you get a good percentage of kids that know nothing about gardening?
There are a handful that come in with some knowledge, but a lot of kids come in and this is their first introduction to growing food.
Right.
A lot of times when I'm in here, pre-COVID, I'm eating the whole time. I'm eating radishes or lettuce or whatever's growing. And kids a lot of times are like, what are you doing? You can't eat that. And I'm like, yes, you can.
Wow, that's
It's
amazing.
food. I think there's sometimes a disconnect between the food you buy in the store and then actually where it comes from, how it's grown, and what it looks like when it's growing too. So this program was originally started at another high school here in Tacoma as kind of an experiment. It's meant to kind of be a reset for students and to give them a place where they feel safe, where they feel comfortable, and where they can be themselves.
No, I just like to play, It's all about nature.
Well, especially with this whole COVID thing, we're kind of stuck inside. We don't really know anything about just going out and, physical work, I guess.
I was planting kale and peas and all that, so.
Had you eaten a lot of kale and peas before you got into this class?
No. Not really.
Are you eating more kale and peas now that you're in this class?
Yeah, actually.
This beats sitting in a classroom, huh?
No, I don't like doing this stuff. I'd rather do these stuff.
Now it's my turn to get my hands dirty, starting by thinning the garden.
What have you learned so far from this class, besides thinning the garden?
There's lots of different plants that I never knew, and some plants have to be deeper and some plants have to be higher up.
Oh, okay.
I never really gardened at my house. It was mostly just my mom.
Well, now, do you think you could go home and teach her a few things?
Maybe.
Now it's time to head into the greenhouse to plant and pot some seeds.
What I do is I make a hole.
Okay, just in the middle?
Yep. Honestly, after that, you just water it and then you just wait for the result.
That's it?
Yeah.
It's that simple?
Yep.
Is there a crop that you guys would like to grow that you haven't gotten a chance to do yet?
I'd just probably like to grow a cactus or something. Something small and simple.
Okay, right. Something that doesn't need a lot of attention.
Yeah, it can just sit there.
Right. And you're kind of using the pot from below method?
Yeah. Well, I don't really know how to do this, so.
We are gardening fools out here. What's it gonna take to get more schools around the state doing stuff like this?
Having administrators and school districts really see the importance of having students understand where their food comes from and then the whole food system. I think we don't value that enough. You just go to the store, you buy your food, that's it. But understanding our food systems and social justice issues and all of that stuff, I think if we had school districts that put weight into that and realize the importance of it and understanding it for our students, I think things could change.